As a mom, you need a laundry hamper that can keep up with all your laundry loads. Our Felt Laundry Hampers are here to lighten the load and make laundry days less daunting. At Parker Baby Co., we pride ourselves in how simple, useful, and aesthetic our products are, and our Felt Laundry Hampers are no exception. Made with soft, bendable felt, each hamper is collapsible to fit in tight spaces like that slot between your washer and dryer for compact storage. We made our hampers oversized and matched them with sturdy handles so they can carry your heaviest loads. Lightweight and practical, they are easy to carry from room to room. Our hampers are the perfect nursery hampers because they are soft to the touch and made with safe materials for your baby. Plus, you won't have to worry about your baby pulling on a heavy, dangerous hamper and hurting themselves. Available in tasteful, gender-neutral colors, our hampers will match your nursery aesthetic perfectly. And once your baby outgrows their nursery, our hampers grow with them. Functional in any space you choose, whether it be bedrooms or laundry rooms, collapse your hamper for smart storage or keep open for daily functional use. Our hampers also match our felt diaper caddies so your nursery details can match, making your baby's nursery that much cuter. Pick from our tasteful color options and simplify your life. Order a Felt Laundry Hamper today.